Greetings. Today I'm going to talk about how I'm going to replace this hose bib. It's pretty cool. It's flat mounted, and unfortunately the first one I installed stopped working. I'm not sure if it was user error or what, but we got to put a replacement in so that it does work. And these things are a good chunk of change. They're not the cheapest hose bib in the world, but very sleek and elegant, and I want it for the van. I want it for the Rocinante, so that's what we're going to do. First things first, I'm just checking to make sure this check valve plunges the way it should by putting my finger in the hole and depressing it. This is the broken one we're replacing. It won't push in at all. Make sure our water pump is off. We'll drain the pressure on this line, and then we will get in there and we'll change this out because that should push in nice and easy. Pressure on the hot side. Pressure on the cold side. Counterclockwise action. Let's plunge in the check valves. Even just as easy as that check valve. Maybe even easier, so. I don't know. I do know I'm gonna put this new one in though. I'm just gonna make that snug, not tight, snug. Put our finger in there and it moves, that's what we want. All right, we've unplugged it. There's no water on this line. We can put our finger in this hole and press on that check valve, which is fundamentally what it is. Now we're going to turn the water pump on, which will pressurize the lines. All right, this line should have pressure on it as soon as we open this valve. And then we saw that. Now that's locked into place. Push that pressure back, no problem. Let's turn our water back on. All right, shower's working. Turn that off. So there's pressure on the line. It's a little hard to get off, but not that hard. We'll get a little leakage, but if we take the pressure off here, it should depressurize that line. And if we come up here, should be able to press that freely now. All right, good enough for tonight. That's what happened, is it just got locked in. Just like kind of got glued in there. All right, we're gonna try that system for now. Leaving it no pressure. We don't want any pressure in this line, even if it means we don't leak check that to the extent we want to. No pressure on this line, even if it means we don't leak check it the exact way we want to. Little kink in that braided cable, which I'm not proud of. All right, let's recap on what we covered. The check valve on the original component, hose bib, wouldn't work reliably. So we put a new one in there, and then we adopted a new workflow where we're never going to have pressure on that check valve unless we have to. We can depressurize it by using the attachment, the hose attachment, and the faucet opening, which is a shower mixing valve. In any case, that's all I got for you today. Thank you for watching. We will see you around.